Good afternoon, everybody. Can you hear that? Silence. It has been such a manic week. You can probably tell I haven't been on my Instagram very much. I don't know how I've been keeping up with vlogs. Maybe they haven't been that good. I'm not sure. But we have a pause in the day, in the week. There's been a lot going on with the bathroom, the kitchen. I have spent the past 23 hours painting solid. I had a 20-minute eating break, I had a sleep, and then I got back to painting. We had to paint the kitchen. So I have just not been feeling myself. And for the first time in a few weeks, here I am, feeling myself, getting some work done. I've had a exciting delivery come that I want to tell you guys about, because I'm doing a giveaway over on my Instagram that you guys want to check out. It is to win one of the Balsam Hill Christmas trees. I know, I literally so excited about this. I have one myself and I'm going to put it up and you guys will see the whole process. I'm very early, but in order to get the giveaway out, obviously I need to get it done early. Also, I'm going away and I have a lot of work things on. So Christmas is going to be early in this house and I'm all for it because I love it. I love the lights and the decor and the coziness. So this is one of my jobs this week. Also this week, also the other thing that's happened, which Stefania's okay with me telling you about, is that her nonno sadly passed away 3 days ago now. It was peaceful and he was suffering a lot. He had Alzheimer's, dementia, 102. It's just amazing. So now we have a lot to organise to get to Italy for the funeral. Stefania, as we know, has issues with going into Europe. So you can imagine the amount that needs to be done and the stress and just the grieving and everything that's happening. So that's happening as well. I swear there's a bit of everything going on at the moment. I also have some other boxes that I want to unbox for you. I just haven't been able to do it. They're all piling up. So I'm going to get that done in this week's vlog as well. And you can see behind me, it is chaos. I have just finished filming some content. I'm just about to have some dinner. I've been going all day. So we're going to eat and then going to meet some of our friends to go and watch Grease at the theatre. So I am so excited. You guys know how much I love the theatre. So I'll give you guys a little sneak peek into that. A sneak peek into my Christmas boxes. And yeah, we're going to have a really nice night. So I'm going to head because I know that I'm running out of time. I'm not even dressed. I've got a new little crop cashmere knit on from Reformation. I absolutely love it. It just gets me ready for the festivities and it's got these, can you see, gorgeous buttons, absolutely gorgeous. And I love the colour. I've got it on with my mother denim skinny faux leather jeans. But I think I'm going to change because the weather's not great. So I'm going to go do that. I'm going to grab Stefania and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Got our nut milk. It has been a minute since we've had a nut tea. And they had matcha as well. And we went to Planet Organic for some snacks. So we'll show you what we've got. Delicious yellow chocolate bar with almonds, hazelnuts and cashews. Some orange chocolate almonds.
The best ones are the sea salt, but they didn't have them.
And we also got some extra drinks because it can get thirsty up in here. I might be dancing and stuff. Yeah, I'm going to try out these new CBD elderflower.
You got elderflower lime. Hibiscus ginger. That's what I got. And you got elderflower lime.
Yeah. So we'll see how they go. But we're super excited. We've actually got really good seats. Well, decent, I have to say. I'll flip you around obviously so you can see. have paint in my hair and I've been filming content all morning. I can't seem to get it out and there's just paint everywhere. We're still in the middle of redecorating, and just to add to the madness, we're putting up our Christmas decorations today. I am partnering up with Balsam Hill, and if you head over to my Instagram, you'll see that I have a giveaway going on. Hopefully it will be on. Yeah, it will be on. By the time this goes out, the giveaway will be on. So head over to my Instagram and you can enter to win yourself a Balsam Hill Christmas tree. I am so excited to work with them. They are such an amazing brand. I have myself a Balsam Christmas tree and they are just amazing. They are like the creme de la creme of fake Christmas trees. I was a big fan of buying real trees, but I just think ethically it's wrong to just keep cutting down the trees and buying cheap plastic ones. They don't last. So investing in a real good quality fake Christmas tree, if you're going to be doing decorating, I think is key, and these trees will literally last a lifetime. So we're going to be doing that today. Guys, head over to my Instagram if you want to enter to win yourself one of these trees yourself. And I got a load of decorations with it and lights and everything, so I'm really excited. It's very early. My neighbours are going to think I'm crazy, but it is what it is, and I'm here for it because I love decorations and Christmas decorations, so to have them early is okay with me. I've got something in my eye. Oh, that is so annoying. What is it? We last night, you would have seen, went to Greece at the theatre, and it was so good. Guys, if you haven't seen it already, go and see it. It's so nostalgic. It's so much fun. We had such a laugh. And yeah, really enjoyed it. You guys know I love the theatre already, but Greece is definitely up there. So make sure you go and watch it. And I think I can hear, what have you got on? She's put on her Christmas pyjamas. By the way, our sofa is there because we need the space to... Stefania, what is wrong with her?
We're doing the Christmas tree.
Yeah, but it's not pyjama time.
Yeah, but this is what I've got that's Christmassy.
But you don't need to put something Christmassy on. You're just meant to get dressed.
No, but I want to.
She's literally gone from one pyjama to another.
I don't want pyjamas. My sexy.
Well, they look like pyjamas.
No, they look fine.
Okay, right, fine. Well, we're going to get started. It's a beautiful day. It doesn't feel Christmassy at all. It's so warm in the UK. It's like 20 degrees. I've got cashmere on. I'm out of my mind. But anyway, let's get the house all Christmassy. So we have chosen this corner. This is the second year that we're doing this corner. We normally put it in the bay, but it blocked all the light. We couldn't get to the radiator, and I think this is a better spot. We've moved all the furniture out of the way for now just to set this up. So this is our tree all tied up on some wheels. Stefania will show you that it moves. So we've got the larger, it's 7.5, I think.
So cool, isn't it?
And we got the Fraser fir flip tree. And this is basically how you put it away and store it. So we're going to unbox this now. This is the collar that we got for around the bottom of the tree. It comes in several colours, but we got the chestnut just to match our aesthetics. And then there's some decorations in here that I'll show you after. And that's the top of the tree. So we're going to get this up, flip it, put it into position.
It's going to be bigger though, we need space.
Cue the Christmas music.
On Oxford Street.
Oh,
It's cute.
I cannot believe Christmas is here. Perfect.
In October.
Right, let's fluff the tree. We need to fluff the tree now. These are the baubles that I've picked from Balsam Hill. These are the smaller version and these are the larger. And they are like silver, sort of broken glass, or like a broken... shattered, if you know what I mean. Very pretty. And this one has the little gold detail on the top, which I really wanted, and it matches the rest of our decorations. So we have 24 of these and 12 of these to go up. I also got a pack of these. I just think they're absolutely beautiful. Sort of branches to stick out, and they have these, I suppose it's a bit like Christmas tree jewellery, I suppose, on a branch. And it's got like pearls on it, a bit of glitter, and these, I mean, it's not real glass, but twinkly. It will look very nice against the lights. I think we can put the base on. Yeah, what do you think? I got this chocolate brown, like chestnut even. I got the chestnut base in large, as it would fit better with the tree because it's quite a tall tree. So these pieces just attach and make a circle, hello, and go under the tree. So if you spin that one, perfect. Perfect. It's very warm. It does not feel like Christmas at all. The beauty of this tree is that you don't have to put on the lights. The lights, as you saw, were already there, then they sort of plug in with the tree, connect and go on. So,
And the lights are the longest part.
I literally hate doing the lights, so we can skip that bit as it's done and move straight on to decoration. What's nice about these is they're all different shapes, so you haven't got the same thing over and over again. So these are the smaller ones in the silver, which I like to put at the top of the tree. These are some decorations from last year that I absolutely love. They are just so simple and delicate and glittery, and they have like a bit of gold running through them. I can't remember where we got them from, but we like our tree to be very neutral and slightly rustic.
There's actually a remote control.
You have a remote?
Do you know how annoying it is to turn when you have to go in the corner? Look, on.
That's amazing. That's made your day, hasn't it?
Look, Balsam Hill. How cool is that?
For the lights. That is a...
I'm going to play tricks on people before they know.
How funny.
And they'll be like, oh my God,
What
what's
a
wrong?
touch.
The lights have gone out.
And just like that, the tree is up, and oh my goodness, does it feel good to have the Christmas tree back in the living room? So it's still a bit of a mess. We've got boxes and pillows and everything to sort out. I've actually changed because I'm shooting a reel, like a Christmas reel. So I've got my Christmas pajamas on. I don't remember where they're from. They're so old, but they're like this Black Watch tartan, like leggings, long sleeve top fitted. But I need to change out of them again because I need to go out now. But I wanted to show you guys the tree, and I'll give you a closer look actually. So you can see the lights are, they look more yellow on the camera. They're not actually yellow, they're orange, like normal light. But you can see all the decorations. We still need to give it a little zhuzh about. You know how it is when you put up your tree, you'll be sitting there and have to get up and swap some things around. But it's definitely great for the first stage. What I did want to do with you guys is a bit of an unboxing, because I've had a load of packages come and they're piling up and I'm saving them to open them with you, but I'm aware that Stefania's going to get home, dinner needs to be made, and I don't know if I've got time. Maybe I can show you like a couple of things. Hold on, let me pop you up. Just as I've set you up, they've pulled up. So I'm not gonna be able to do it right now, but hopefully I can sit down with you in the next few days and unbox. I've got some packages from Ren, Fru, and that event I went to. I really wanted to open this with you as well. I will try and do that in the next few days. In fact, I will. That's how I'm going to end the vlog.